video a quick rundown on no lift shift. I actually have video footage, but everything just screwed up the first day I was doing it. And I tried to do it the second day, and all that got screwed up. So I'm just have like little clips to show in between. But it's just a quick video rundown. But first, just FYI, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like and leave any feedback necessary just to help me take it in and then do stuff different and try to grow better on this channel. And also for my OG subscribers, which it wasn't many of y'all, it was just like 15. If you haven't already, well, by now you should have seen a video posted from my old channel letting you know that everything is transferring to my new channel, which is HollaHard Entertainment. So that way you can just subscribe to the new channel link and hit that bell and catch new upload. Anyway, today just talking about no lift shift. So in my 2017 Camaro 2SS, I have a feature called no lift shift, and basically all 6 gens. Well, I'm not going to say all 6 gens. Most of the 6 gens from 2016. If it's the LT1 model, well, if it's the Camaro with the LGX engine, but if it's the 1LE package, it has the no lift shift feature in it. And then from the 1SS, 2SS, SS1LE, ZL1, and the ZL1 1LE, all of them have it as well from 2016 on up to now, except for the models with the LTG and just the regular LGX engines, which 2016 they do not have a feature, but from 2017 on up they do have it. The feature on it activate after you hit a minimum RPM range. Me doing a no lift shift. Ah man, car coming. So, for example, with me having a 2SS, I will still fall under the regular SS since it's the LT1 engine, and same with like the SS1LE. So really it's just based on which engine you have. That's what you go by. Well, no, actually 1LE is a little different from the regular SS, but I think that's because it has the electronic slip differential. But with my 2SS, I have to hit 5,000 RPM for it to activate, for it to be enabled to be able to use it. And then my target RPM during the shift is 6,400, meaning as soon as I hit 5,000 RPM or above, I can do the no lift shift, where basically I keep my foot on the gas pedal the whole time. I keep it all the way to the floor, and I just press down on the clutch, shift, lift off the clutch. That's it. I don't have to lift up off the gas pedal or nothing now. But that's the thing, for those people that probably having issues like not be able to engage no lift shift, that's the thing. You have to hit over 5,000 RPM before you can go through the motion of doing no lift shift. No lift shift is very, very, in my opinion, very useful. It's something to use. It is. But the keys to doing this no lift shift, you have to consider this. So once you enable the no lift shift, once you hit 5,000 RPM, right then and there, you can do the no lift shift if you want. But to make it more effective and useful of doing it, go beyond 5,000 RPM. Go all the way up to where you know your peak power is on the curve line. So say 6,200. No, let's just say 61,000. For me to get the most out of it, I would want to let the RPM hit all the way up to about 6,000. As soon as I see 6,000, then it's like by the time I'm reacting, I should hit 6,100 on RPM. And then as that's happening, I'm reaching my peak, and now I'm shifting to the next gear. And what it does, what I failed to mention a little earlier, once you do the no lift shift, if you do it right at 5,000 or right at 5,500, once you shift, the engine will rev all the way up to the target point, which is listed at 6,400. So you can be at 5,500 as you no lift shift, it rev all the way to 64. Once you enter next gear and let off the clutch, it'll go back down. But it don't go back down low. It'll still be, you know what, to be honest, I can't remember. I want to say it still stay at 5,000. It won't go no lower than 5,000, but it might actually do go lower than 5,000. Just assuming that you don't know the shift, but you're keeping the pedal to the floor the whole time as you're trying to go fast. I'm not too sure. That I can't remember from when I was doing it. But that's how it works. You do no lift shift. Once you pass the minimum RPM to enable it, you can do it early and it'll jump all the way to 6,400. Now the red line is actually 6,600, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Like without it being tuned to go higher, the regular stock limit is 6,600. So get the most out of it. Like I was saying before, you want to try to rev all the way up to where your peak horsepower is supposed to be on the curve lines. You do that and you hit your max peak, and then as you're going through the motion, this and that, 6,400, then back down, and I'm pretty sure you'll still be above 5,000. But yeah, but that's no lift shift though. So next time, which should be soon, maybe in a couple more days, I will try to attend another Friday night street race, and I will use that technique. Soon I will be trying, no guarantee, but there's a Chevy show. The Menards Chevy show will be coming to Virginia Motorsports Park soon, and I will try to make it out there and probably enter the car show. I feel like my car ain't that fancy for its cosmetic mods, but I may enter anyway, and I will try to enter. They should have a true street car class there, but mind you, I will be going out on just street tires because I don't have any drag radials. There's some plans coming up for Space Ghost, and it will be going in. You know what? I'm not even gonna say nothing. There's no it's plans for it very, very soon. That's happening to it. After those plans, I may change my mind and actually get a drag set up. But at the same time, I'd rather go to the track more or try it out, see if I end up. But yeah, thanks for checking me out though, and don't forget, subscribe, like, and share, and be on the lookout for another upload. What's today? Yeah, so sometime next week. So what I'm trying to do is post twice a week, but one video will be more towards car and automotive stuff. The other video will be more towards gaming. But anyway, I'll check y'all next time. It's your boy HollaHard. Peace.
Hardest they'll come, Primo gon' kill 'em. $1 million flow, truth gon' spit 'em. As real as they're made, guess we overpaid, cause we're blowing money like we live.
I'm as real as it gets, homie, believe that. Come at me, talking to yin yang. I have you leaning back, I'm far from the average. I'm considered as a monster with skills I possess. I'm a G like a mobster, awesome crafts of this here. isn't easy, but me being me, I make this here look easy. Supreme who I am, you may say, who really cares? I tell you, it's your chick with the pretty long hair. She cares about me, so I let her know. Fucking with a real nigga like me, she make it for show. Get your money up, get your swag up. Matter of fact, this a stick up, so put your hands up.
Hardest they'll come, Primo gon' kill him. $1 million flow, truth gon' spit him.